Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find trending sounds on YouTube Shorts. So let's start! So first, what you're going to do is to create a short video. You can upload any short video that you like. Now, after selecting the video, you can go ahead and then tap on Add Sound. And then you can see right here the sounds that you can use, but you can see that there is recommended. You can choose from that, or you can also choose from tap sounds. Those sounds that are located at the top sounds are most likely the trending sounds that you can use. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.